Got this sewing kit. It comes in this little pouch over here. I already unzipped it. I love the fact that it has the zipper, so it keeps everything closed up. But look at everything that it comes with this set. You have over here the needles, and you have 30 different ones. Then measuring tape, safety pins, some buttons, little scissors, magnifying tool over here. And then here are all of the threads. You have the most famous colors, most used ones: blue, a lot of shades of blue, 3 different ones: green, white, black, brown, yellow. This yellow over here is gonna be perfect for what I want to do. I have this little stuffed animal over here that my kids broke, and they want me to sew it together. Actually, it looks like they put scissors right to it, so I'm just gonna sew it together. Probably going to use this yellow over here. So let's try it out. And this guy just got surgery done. All done. Perfect, perfect. Exactly what I needed. This kit is perfect for, little projects like this.